Hi, Assalamualaikum. So I hope that everyone in a very well conditioned, right? So today we are going to continue the subtopic 9.4 entitled Assimilation. This is the continuation from the previous subtopic, which is we are going to discuss what happened to the digested food, right? So we can simplify that the assimilation is a process of distributions of digested food for the users of the cell. So there are two types of immune system that help in the human circulatory system that consists of the blood circulation system and lymphatic system. Both systems will help to transport the nutrients to be assimilated. So now let me discuss more detail. What is the role of the circulatory system? In the assimilation process that occurs in the cell, nutrients are used to form complex compound or structure of the component. Blood capillaries, as you can see here, that located in the small intestine will combine to form the hepatic portal vein. Here is the hepatic portal vein and then transported to the liver. The lacteal will form the bigger lymph vessel in the lymphatic system. Next, the lymph vessel will enter the thoracic duct. So here is the thoracic duct and then flow into the left subclavian vein. Here is the locations of the subclavian vein. Now let me discuss about the functions of liver in the assimilations of the digested food. Liver, functioning as the regulator that controls the quantity of the nutrient enter the blood circulatory system. The first one is the metabolism of the digested food. The glucose that have been digested will be used for the cellular respiration. Amino acid will synthesize the plasma protein and enzyme. Meanwhile, the deamination is a process where the excess amino acid will turn to urea to be excreted through the urine. Second processes involve the detoxification. The liver cell expel toxic substance from the blood and also expel through urine. The third one is the storage of nutrients. The excess glucose is converted to glycogen. The other functions of liver in the assimilations of digested food. You can see here, the left side is the normal liver. Meanwhile, the right side is a liver of a cirrhosis patient. Liver cirrhosis. Diseases that caused by the alcoholic drinks, toxic substance and hepatitis. Liver cells are replaced by scar cells that can cause failure in the liver function. Hepatitis is an inflammation in liver caused by the viral infection, toxic substance or autoimmune reaction. Furthermore, here are the other functions of liver. It involves in the regulations of lipid, productions of bile, removal of damaged red blood cells, synthesize vitamin A and blood protein factor, regulating of amino acid level or deamination process, productions of heat and productions of cholesterol. More details we are going to discuss about the assimilation. There are two ways where the assimilation will occur. The first one in the liver and second one in the cell. Without further delay, let's continue the assimilation process in the liver. Now let's go through the assimilation process in the liver. The amino acid in the liver will synthesize plasma protein and enzyme, form amino acid. Excess amino acid cannot be stored in our body and will broken down through the deamination process to form urea, which then will expel through the urine. If glucose supply is insufficient, the liver will convert the amino acid into glucose. Means if our body do not have enough glucose, so that the amino acid will supply to our body. For the glucose that in the liver is used for the cellular respiration when required by the body, and the excess glucose is converted to glycogen and stored in the liver. When the blood glucose level decreases, means down, and the body needs more energy, the glycogen is converted to glucose. When the glycogen supply reaches a maximum level, the excess glucose is converted to fat. Furthermore, we are going to discuss about the assimilation process in the cells. assimilation process in the cell. The amino acids are used to synthesize new protoplasm and also repair damaged tissue. Amino acids also used to synthesize hormone and enzymes. Glucose will oxidize through the cellular respiration to release energy, water, and carbon dioxide. Excess glucose kept as a glycogen in muscle. Energy is used for the cell reprocesses such as protein synthesis. For lipid, the phospholipid and cholesterol are the primary components that build the plasma membrane. Excess fat kept in the adipose tissue to store energy, and fat also will release energy when there is insufficient glucose.